Hi, Year 6. Today we're going to learn what is in a cigarette. This is page 76 to 79 of your textbook. Your learning objective today is to answer questions about an experiment involving cigarette smoke. So you will watch a video about an experiment using cigarette smoke. And then you will have to answer some questions that you can find the answers to if you watch the video. Your steps to success is to learn what is in a cigarette smoke, watch an experiment video of a smoking machine, and answer questions based on the video. So, we learned last time about medicinal drugs. Today we're going to learn about harmful drugs. So, some drugs are very harmful to your body. They can damage your brain, heart, and lungs. They can affect the way you think and the way you act. They can also be addictive. If you remember, addictive means once you start taking it, it is difficult to stop. So one of these harmful drugs is tobacco. So this over here is the tobacco plant. In Brunei, uh, tobacco is in cigarettes, in sikup. So some people smoke cigarettes which contain the leaves of the tobacco plant. The leaves contain harmful chemicals which can damage the body in many ways. Smoking is one of the main causes of cancer and heart disease. These diseases kill millions each year. So, because of the substances in cigarettes, they can leave your organs or your parts of the body looking like this. And when it looks like this, it has a higher chance of getting cancer because that part of the body is very weak. So tobacco is very addictive because of nicotine, an addictive drug. So what's in a cigarette? So for this lesson, you, no, for our syllabus, for our lessons, we usually focus on three of these substances: tar, nicotine, and carbon monoxide. The rest we should know, but you don't really need to know about it in detail. So, tar. Tar is used for making road surfaces. So if you've ever passed people who are working on the road and you see that they're applying something black on the road, that is tar. So tar, when it is smoke from the cigarette, it collects in the lungs to turn it black. So the lungs that you saw earlier, that was black because of tar. So tar also makes our teeth, finger, and fingernails yellow. So it also causes throat cancer and lung problems. So tar affects inside our body and outside our body. It affects our lungs, teeth, finger, and fingernails. So let's talk about nicotine. Nicotine is used in insecticides. Insecticides are substances which are used to kill insects. For example, shelltox. So nicotine can cause heart disease and increase the risk of having a heart attack. This is because nicotine makes our heart beat faster. So that's why it can increase chances of heart attack. Nicotine also makes your teeth, finger, and fingernails yellow. It is addictive, so it makes it very difficult to stop. Carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide is released in car exhaust fumes. So, yang asap yang keluar belakang kereta tu, inside that smoke, there is also carbon monoxide. So, when people breathe in carbon monoxide, it is absorbed into the blood and stops the blood from taking oxygen to the rest of the body. This is why usually smokers, they have trouble breathing or are usually out of breath because they've taken so much carbon monoxide that the blood usually can only take a small amount of oxygen. So carbon monoxide can cause heart disease and increase the risk of having a heart attack. So, other substances you can find in a cigarette are arsenic, which is a poison, a deadly substance used in rat poison, acetone, used in nail polish remover, cadmium, used in dry cells, batteries, acetic acid, used to make vinegar and some hair dyes, and butane, used in lighter fluid and some portable stoves. So it's better you remember at least maybe two of the extra ones, but you always have to remember tar, nicotine, and carbon monoxide. Okay, time for your work. Please complete the worksheet in live worksheet. Good luck, you six.